Hi, my name is Ted and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing another great product from SvBONY. It is the Sv25. It's a small beginner telescope. It's a refractor telescope. It is a 60 millimeter, which is a 2-inch. It's 420 millimeter focal length, and it comes with some really nice accessories. 2 eyepieces, a 9 millimeter, a 20 millimeter. And I'll kind of just show you some of the eyepieces. Pretty good quality eyepieces too, actually. I was comparing it to my Celestron 20 millimeter eyepiece, and they both really are basically the same thing. You know, just different shape. But it has a nice eye relief as well. So it's really, really nice. It also comes with a 3 times Barlow lens, so it gives you 3 times the magnification. So it's really nice if you really want to get close. It comes with a 90-degree zenith diagonal, so you can kind of see everything in the right perspective. It also comes with a nice little phone accessory, so you can actually attach your phone to it so you can take pictures with your phone. I don't use my phone because I don't have a timer on my phone, so I have to keep pressing the button. So naturally pressing the button can be a little wobbly sometimes. And also the other fact is that I live in a very tropical state, which is very windy, so it's raining all the time and windy, so this doesn't stay too supported. It's on a cardboard box too, so it's a little shaky, but I recommend that if you're going to use the adapter that comes with this to use your phone, I would leave it just like it is. I wouldn't extend because you can't extend the legs if you want to, but I would leave it flat on a nice hard table outside, and it works wonders. It is a 1.25. It's not a 2-inch, which is fine. Again, this is a beginner telescope, which is really nice. It has a very long back focus as well, so I had no problems achieving focus whatsoever. It's really, really nice. It also comes with a nice little 5x20 finder scope, which is more than enough for this. The great thing about this telescope is not only is it good for astronomy and studying some of the things in the night sky, you can also use it as a nature telescope as well. If you want to take pictures of nature, or basically just observe nature and you want to get close to something that maybe, say, wildlife that you can't get close to, this is kind of perfect. It does come with a nice little instruction booklet, which also explains pretty much all the eyepieces and everything about the scope, which is really nice. And it also has a nice little solar system map, which I think I have it upside down. It's very nice, very large, very nice. A great accessory, again, that complements the telescope. Normally, what I do is if I'm going to take pictures with this thing, like I said, I don't use my cell phone. I use the SvBONY SV105 digital astronomy camera. This doesn't come with it, but it actually complements it. So if you're looking to start getting into imaging, I would also recommend their camera as well to go with this. It makes it a lot easier, I think, than using the phone. And of course, naturally, it just plugs right into your, I'll just show you, into your focuser. If it's something you want to get into later, maybe taking pictures. Oh, I forgot there's one over here. I totally forgot. Am I going the wrong way? I think I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, I'm going the wrong way. There we go. And of course you plug your wire in and stuff like that. So again, this is just something you can possibly add later down the road if you want to take images with a astronomy camera as opposed to your cell phone. I've taken pictures of the moon and the sun. What I do recommend, though, it does not come with a solar filter, and you can't look at the sun without some kind of solar filter, so I used the one that I had originally made. And I have this adapter plate thing that I use for my camera lenses when I'm using my little square filters, and I just bought a sheet of film and put it on there, and it pretty much goes over the front of that. They do make solar filters that will most likely fit this. I know they have really small ones, so again, if you're going to look at the sun, I would definitely put a solar filter on there of some sorts. Also, one of the great things about this telescope, when I was looking at the moon, I was really expecting to see some kind of chromatic aberration. I was truly taken back, and I was surprised that I didn't see no chromatic aberration whatsoever. And as most people know, looking at a very bright moon in a low-end beginner telescope, you're most likely going to see chromatic aberration. I was very, very surprised. So it was a great sight. Seeing no chromatic aberration was perfect. It was like very beautiful. And even in my images, which I'll put some images and some video at the end of this this little review and show you what you can actually capture. Again, I did use this though, the SvBONY camera. I didn't use my cell phone. And that's pretty much it. It is the Sv25. It's the 60mm, 420mm focal length. It's a nice beginner telescope. Also, what I love about SvBONY is that if you're kind of starting out in this hobby, or if you're just wanting to get your foot in the door and you really want to start learning about astronomy and stuff, they make some really great products at affordable prices. And that's what they're kind of there for. They want people who are starting out to enjoy the hobby, because as most people know, this hobby can be very expensive. You know, like a telescope like this is like $400, and not everybody has $400, so they make some really nice telescopes. And they got a little larger ones as well, so to kind of get those beginners out there who are looking to start out. So it's a great thing. So, and of course they also make eyepieces, laser collimators, finder scopes, different types of cameras, all kinds of accessories as well. So, and if you check out my YouTube channel, you can see I have other reviews that I did for them as well that I like, because I love their products. So they make great products. So again, this is the box. It's just a small little, it's lightweight. The tripod does have a little carrying case, which I don't have out, but this is it, and it's a nice little telescope. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and clear skies.